Colleagues, it is no secret that the country is experiencing unsustainable use and degradation of its wetland resources. The national wetlands cover reduced from 37,559 kilometers, that is about 15.6% in 1994, to 31,412 kilometers square, which is about 13% in 2019. According to the National State of the Wetland Report 2019, of the 13%, only 8.9% is intact, while 4.1% is under some form of degradation. Wetlands degradation is highest in Eastern region, which stands at 40%, followed by Central at 26%, Northern region, and then Western region. I'm positive that this collaboration will contribute to halting this loss, as well as contributing to our realization of the priorities of the 10-year restoration plan, the National Development Plan 3, and Vision 2040.
The wetlands of the Lake Albert that are of critical importance to a wide range of fish and bird species. So we are targeting the Murchison Falls Albert Delta wetland ecosystem.